Hello and welcome to my channel, that is Virat's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you and simple recipe that everyone loves, chicken recipe, that is chicken vada pav at home itself. So what is the ingredients? I'll tell you. I have taken 1 bowl of chicken keema. This is cornstarch, corn flour, 2 tablespoons. This is coriander chopped, carrot chopped, capsicum chopped, onion chopped, one big onion. Then this is cabbage, half, around 2 tablespoons. This I have taken rice flour. This is butter. This is gram flour, that is besan, around 2 cups. This is I have taken the soda, like food soda, what we eat, what we use for the vada pav usually. This is cheese, and these are the paws. So let's start with the recipe. And I have taken oil for deep frying. So guys, first we are going to take a bowl, and that we will add the chicken keema. So firstly I will tell you, I have already marinated this chicken keema with black pepper powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, lemon juice, ginger and garlic paste. So I will be showing you what all the list I have put in the keema. I will note down on the screen. After that I'll be adding the capsicum, the onion. I will not be adding whole onion, I'll keep it for garnish half. After that I'll be adding the capsicum, then the carrot, grated carrot, the coriander leaves. After that 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, corn flour. In this vegetables and keema mixture, I will be adding half spoon of salt. So remember, I have already added salt to the keema as well. So accordingly, you have to add the salt. Now I will mix all the ingredients. One more thing I would like to tell you: if you like chopped green chilies, you can add on the chopped green chilies as well in this mixture. Usually, children don't eat vegetables, so whatever vegetables I have added, you can add this in the keema and make the vada pav, or else you can make cutlets of this. So इससे होता क्या है कि लोगों जो बच्चे लोग हैं वो खा लेंगे सब सब्जियां भी, और चिकन बोलेंगे तो और भी एक्साइट हो जाते हैं खाने के लिए, और उससे ऊपर वड़ा पाव अगर बोले तो दे आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय इट. So as I am going to add the cheese also for the garnish, that will be the cherry on the cake for them. So let's mix it everywhere, everything well now. So friends, I have made the vadas and shaped in small sizes as per your requirement. So I have made little small rounds, what I can say, these are the popcorns or little small size cutlets, you can say. This is also I am going to deep fry in the basin, that is a ground flour. This is the different part, and only you can eat these vadas for as a starter, and these you can add in the vada and you can eat it. So this can be also some attraction to the children's, like small small size vadas. So I've taken a bowl and I'm going to add in the basin. This is the 2 cups basin. After that I am going to add the rice flour, that is 2 tablespoon rice flour. In that I will be adding little bit of red chili powder, as you like it or not, it depends on you. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, or as per your taste. Now after adding this, I will be adding the food soda, what we eat food, we put it in the vadas and all. So I'm going to add pinch of that This will help the vada to come up and rise, take the shape well. Now I'll be adding all the ingredients together and adding little bit of water as per the flowing consistency. I'll make the batter which we make for the vadas to deep fry. Now as our consistency is proper of the vada batter, we will just see if the oil is heated. I'll be putting little bit of this. So yes, the oil is heated. Now we'll put the vadas. Now let's start with the vadas. So I have taken this vada and I'm going to put it in the batter. Coat the vada properly and just leave it in the. Be careful while doing. We will do the second vada as well. So I have taken it and I am going to coat the vada properly. I am going to deep fry it. Similarly, we will do the other. So you can see the vada is getting deep fried properly. We are going to make it. So almost the vada is ready. I am going to remove it out now. So the smaller ones I am going to cook it now. These kind of small size vadas, definitely children are going to love it and they will be getting attracted to it, and they will not know also what vegetables we have added in this. So we will be removing this also. They are cooked properly. Okay, so now I'm going to apply butter to these paws. So I have applied the butter. Now I will be grating the cheese on this. Now I'm going to add little bit of Szechuan chutney over it. So you can see I have already applied the chutney. Before applying the grating the cheese, you can also apply the chutney, but I have applied now. So I'm adding the onion on this. One side only we are going to keep the onion. Now I will be placing the vadas onto it. So these are the vadas. I'm going to close the vada now. This way. And now I'm going to put little bit of butter on this. So after applying butter, I'm going to heat it on the, like shallow fry it on the tawa, this way. So this will help us to melt the cheese and make the vada crispy. So we'll do it for around 30 seconds, not more. So from the other side now. So I'll put little bit of butter more downside and this way also, and make it. Okay, so our vada is ready. Vada pav is ready now. So our vada pav is ready. That is chicken vada pav is ready. I am serving with this Szechuan chutney along with little bit of onion if you like it. Cheese is already there, and these are the lays if you like to enjoy with lays. You can also enjoy with mayonnaise if you like. So you can make a dip of mayonnaise and Szechuan and apply on the pav, and you can even use that as a dip also. So this is the vada pav.